Good morning, T-Wolves. I'm Jaren.
And I'm Danny.
And this is T-Wolf TV for Monday, October 13th. Please stand and join us in listening to the national anthem and reciting the Pledge of Allegiance.
Need help filling out the FAFSA? We'll be holding a FAFSA night on Wednesday, October 29th from 6 to 7:30 p.m. in the Timpanogos High School Media Center so students and parents can get their extra support in getting their FAFSA application submitted. Light refreshments will be provided. See you there.
The THS mountain biking team recently competed at the Vernal Bike Race in Vernal. Up next, highlights of their races produced by T-Wolf TV's Grant Lewis.
What's up, T-Wolves?
T-Wolves, did you take or are you planning on taking Mr. Bertrand's Holocaust and Genocide Studies class? Even if you might not be taking this class, would you like to visit the places taught in the class? Come by his room 703 for more information.
Don't miss the Fall Orchestra concert tonight featuring the beginning, intermediate, and advanced orchestras conducted by Mr. Findley. The concert begins at 7 o'clock and is free to the general public.
We leave you today with brief highlights from one of the numbers from the choir concert last Wednesday in the auditorium. That's it for today. For T-Wolf TV, I'm Danny.
And I'm Jaren.
Remember, T-Wolves, we
love you all.
Aus dem Christus, wie sollte